Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. I'm your host Tony, and today we're diving deep into the essence of living a fully charged life. Thank you for joining me on this journey of motivation, success, and high performance. You know, I was reflecting the other day on what it truly means to be fully charged. It's not just about having energy or being enthusiastic. It's about aligning our purpose, passion, and potential every single day. I remember a time in my life when I felt completely drained, even though I was achieving my goals. I had the success, the accolades, but something was missing. It took a moment of introspection to realize that success without fulfillment is the ultimate failure. So how do we live a life that's not just successful but also fulfilling? It starts with understanding our why. Why do we do what we do? What drives us? When we align our actions with our why, that's when we truly start to live a fully charged life. Another key component is continuous growth. The moment we stop learning is the moment we start declining. Whether it's reading a new book, attending a seminar, or just having a deep conversation with someone, always seek to expand your horizons. And let's not forget about the power of gratitude. In our pursuit of more, it's easy to forget what we already have. Taking a moment every day to count our blessings can shift our perspective and recharge our souls. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with a challenge. For the next week, start each day by writing down 3 things you're grateful for and 1 thing you want to learn. At the end of the week, reflect on how this simple exercise impacted your mindset and energy. All right, my friends, that's it for today's episode. Remember, living a fully charged life is a journey, not a destination. Embrace each moment, seek growth, and always stay true to your why. Thank you for tuning in. If this episode resonated with you, please share it with a friend and leave a review. Until next time, keep charging forward, and let's make every day count.
When you're buying a home or business, you check on the roof, age of HVAC, termites, but what about your sewer pipes? Not fun to find out after you move in that you have a sewer problem that can cost you $12,000 or more to repair. For as low as $195, Tony's Drain and Sewer can do a sewer line video inspection, running a camera inside the sewer line, revealing the condition of the sewer pipes. This will reveal current and potential issues in the sewer pipelines, avoiding expensive surprises in the future. To inspect your drain, there's only one name, Tony's Drain, at tonysdrain.com.